Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. As the holidays approach, our homes become the heart of everything. Laughter, family gatherings, good food, and of course, lots of memories being made. But here's the thing. Creating that cozy, welcoming atmosphere doesn't have to mean bringing in artificial fragrances or harsh cleaners. Today, I'm sharing simple ways to make your home feel cozy and chemical-free for the holidays so you can breathe easy and truly enjoy the season. Now, when we think cozy, we often think of warm candles, seasonal scents, and twinkling lights. But many store-bought candles, sprays, and air fresheners actually release toxins that can affect our health and air quality. A cozy home starts with clean air and natural scents, the kind that comfort you instead of overwhelm you. And that's where essential oils really shine. So let's start with some diffuser blends that will make your home smell like the holidays without any of the synthetic fragrances. So here are a few of my favorites. First one is Grateful Gatherings. 2 drops wild orange, 2 drops cinnamon, 2 drops clove, and 1 drop frankincense. And then next is Pumpkin Pie Spice. 3 drops cassia, 2 drops ginger, and 2 drops cardamom. And then lastly, the Cozy Cabin. 3 drops Siberian fir, 2 drops cedarwood, and 1 drop vanilla. Now just add the combination of the diffuser blend to your diffuser and let the scent fill your home before guests arrive, or during your quiet moments with a cup of tea and a cozy blanket. Now, if you're a DIY lover like me, try this simple room spray recipe. I call it the Holiday Cheer. It's 2 ounces of distilled water, 1 teaspoon witch hazel or vodka to help the oil disperse, 4 drops wild orange, 3 drops cinnamon, 2 drops Douglas fir. Shake well and spritz around your home before guests arrive. It smells amazing and it cleans the air naturally. Now, after the big holiday feasts, the kitchen can feel like ground zero for messes and greasy dishes. But don't reach for the harsh chemicals. Your essential oils can handle the cleanup beautifully. Now, here's a twist to my quick DIY kitchen cleaner. The Sparkling Clean Spray. It's 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup water, and 10 drops lemon essential oil, and 5 drops On Guard. Now spray and wipe down the counters, the stove, and even stainless steel. Lemon cuts through the grease, and the On Guard supports immunity. It's perfect for post-holiday cleanup. Plus, it makes your kitchen smell like a fresh lemon orchard instead of a chemical lab. Now let's take it a step further, because true coziness isn't just about how your home looks and smells, it's also about how you feel in it. Here are a few ways to boost that chemical-free cozy vibe from the inside out. Number 1 is diffuse and distress. Take 5 minutes in the morning to breathe in grounding oil like Balance or Adaptive. Then set your intention for gratitude before the day gets busy. Number 2 is nourish naturally. Enjoy comforting foods made with whole ingredients, warm soups, herbal teas, and spices like cinnamon and turmeric that support your body naturally. Number 3 is simplify your space. Now, before guests arrive, take a few moments to declutter the main gathering area. A simplified space invites calm energy and makes everyone feel more relaxed. And lastly, number 4, an evening ritual. Fill your diffuser with a calming blend like lavender, cedarwood, and frankincense, and write down 3 things that you're grateful for from the day. Gratitude is the ultimate cozy mindset. So as you prepare your home for the holidays this year, remember coziness doesn't come from what you buy, it comes from how you feel and the love that fills your space. By keeping things simple and toxin-free, you're not just creating a welcoming environment, you're protecting the health and happiness of everyone who steps through your door. Now, if you loved these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who's ready for a cozier, cleaner holiday season. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's one way you love to make your home feel cozy during the holidays? Let's share our ideas and inspire each other to live well and breathe easy this season. Happy holidays.